HYTV and York FM. So, Emerald so my some Ayaka Bomuno, some of what's not your somo. Now, we are Medeba Somusa from Tubercasia, our HYTV and York FM. So, Cassian, somebody Makotini, I will bet you evidence, and none other and a Ghana Black Stars. Then any Mafcon matches no apostle and Tina de Makako PM, our baby, I was what you want each rana, I can see no paso, a one or naya. Na Ghana mampanyini edi nsɛm bi ato wɔn anim yɛbɛka ma wate bi wɔ kaseɛbɔ yi saa nso na dɔmanhene a wɔno nso ne ne subchieffoɔ wɔde nsɛm bi ato wɔn ano ɔsagyefo wɔsi adeɛ yɛ Dr. Agyemang Badu II wɔn nso yɛbɛkɔ akɔtie n'anum nsɛm a wɔde ato dwa de ma wɔn wei ne nsɛm a wie yɛfoforɔ bi ka ho ɛna mosomfo atwɛ rambo mede bɛso mo sapram to brɛkaseɛ ɛwɔ HYTV so yɛtwa yɛn ho aba ne yɛba a yɛde nsɛm no mu nkyerɛmu aso mo HYTV so na fe yakwa ensem ni mu na kire se Ghana Black Stars akansie no so sia no ebra so ayebuso ede ma mo ne nyina se Afcon matches no ya sha ase na na dia Ghana Black Stars ba no nan a na kire se akansie de nso ya dia ya de beto so ade ama mo na no na Ghana mampanyini sade ne ma ekwa akansie no na wo se ja wo de asem bi ato wonim na no na waka kire won se was said when you are to say Ghana, my way, or Homa, national, and was so a show on 1 year, not be Biako yet, the Maya yet higher cheek, yet down what cheek, and to be a Fabian, one kind who say, or Mampanini, and not buying, and Ghana, my Yanaya town what cheek, and see 1 shadow to 2 and more year, not on for Agucansino, and Cosunanya FFMIA.
On the eve of the commencement in Cameroon of the 2021 Africa Cup of Nations Championship, I send best wishes from all Ghanaians to you, the playing, technical, and management teams of the senior national soccer side, the Black Stars. We're all happy that finally the AFCON 2021 tournament, which was postponed from last year, is now going to be held, the coronavirus pandemic notwithstanding. Like with every other edition of AFCON, the Ghanaian people demand nothing short of ultimate glory from the Stars. The pressure to succeed is understandably high because of our status as four-time winners and also because it has been 40 long years since we last lifted the trophy. The target for you, naturally, is to bring the cup home. We have to go a step further than the second places recorded in 1992, 2010, and 2015, and bring the 40-year drought to an end. The task may be daunting, but it is certainly not insurmountable. I believe that in the current crop of players, we have the talent to match any of the best teams on the continent. The Ghana team has been penciled down as one of the favorites for the tournament because of its sheer quality. Let us work to bring the prediction to fruition. You, the current crop, wear the jersey of the Black Stars, the same jersey worn by Ghanaian legends such as Ado Damite, Ben Simmons, Agrifin, Wilberforce Nfum, Edward Aqua, Mohamed Salisu, the non-pareil Babayara, Abdul Razak, Opokunti, and Francis Kumi. Wear it with pride. Wear it with determination. Be of one mind and spirit, and be united on or off the pitch. Whether you are in the starting 11 chosen by coach Milovan Regevac or not, you owe it a duty to back and support wholeheartedly your teammates representing the nation on the field. That is how a 5th AFCON trophy for Mother Ghana can be achieved. To you, my fellow Ghanaians, now more than ever is the time to throw our unwavering support behind the team. Yes, I'm aware that there are 30 million coaches in Ghana. However, in this age of social media, we cannot allow any form of pessimism, especially in our comments, to filter through to the team. We cannot, directly or indirectly, afford to break their morale. In the highs and lows, in good or bad times, we must show the team that we are Ghanaians and we look out for each other, no matter what. We can make the Black Stars a force to reckon with, once again, on the continent and in world football, beginning with this tournament. Go for gold. Go for the 5th AFCON trophy. We can do it. I know we can.
And Tiani and Ghana man penny any attending Kano was a Ghana Black Stars for and couldn't be a one dear. Now was shut and Tariana soon to one who's a town watchy. Now Yanni Ghana for an answer to me for dear. Just a Ghana Black Stars in your feet, the best be I know just a year that be my yes, sir. Now young for your dream pa and a young pie boy and town watchy. Now your comments now ya do social media no ye hwani so na ebe ya ye be hye won kran na ma nkunimdie aye ndia ye truck asebane so ade amamu na kire say ye kwa kopiem aye former MC e wono wo Akuapem North ni din ade Professor Dennis Miracles Abuaje ono so na wakasa se chese ye dia ya na ye hwensem bi aye kwaso ye dwene ho aye ntiase kire say tell man panyini bedi ba say benchmark no ene kire say chese na chese ya dwen ye say duties na what one chese ye be increase da bi anya saa na chese ye kasa benchmark na no nkire say duty bi ana say nia e kwa kwaso bia woton ka ne ade na chese ye de totoso na ye huhuhu da bi na ye behwe say ye mfa dwen panta kire say benchmark na eno no nya ade abebo na no nkire say increase no na what prices na what duty pot no ya tutututu.
Between 2019 and now, no, and yeah, they are discounts now buying at the importers, no, a reflect in many organ any idea for to just no, a reflect in your bottom. And nature said technically, no, the traders, any importers, no, almost met me, I say, almost dada Ghana for because now you expect to say they are almost free at buy honor, almost about Ghana for years why they. Yenya son faso in faso bi amaso meanwhile abaya chew 50% of a car nka say obono na mo sad decision na aban take here no e won so but e hwan from so traders now mo na CJ wo na we import ade aba o man ni yes and na wo say dia ade ba ko e ma wo no ma ne bo e den e ya duties a wotua e port and aban say okay ye pese Ghana for ho tom. It's a Ghana for the network buying 3 months or this discount and buy. And I important. No.
Naturally, when you're young for Dennis Miracle, Abuaje, any attending Kano, our brother, no PM, our sister station, Baku, Adum TV, our now watch ye program, our hurricane see, a what no what's not our day and some me, a what to dry our hall. Not just a trucker, say, Bonaso, a day, a mammo, now ya quack PM, our. Baby, and I just say what MC, ya one also a what Akuapem North Swalla, on also can be at the car, said that there one no dear. So what shall Ghana for reporters, nay, traders, one on a any deceive your mind. As I said, so I not just on man penny the benchmark you buy ye. Yenny ever to me and person, ye ever to my babu mine on your bay. Now so ye young friends, sir. Not just yenny ye boo mine, sir. Not just say, yenny a mum did a pug or permanent boy, yenny young friends, and I just for mine on, I just yenny, ye perceive a boo.
Goods, if prices of goods. And so no sanity there. I don't hear for South Africa. No, Ah, we are saying am saying na yagia tum no. Yan fa no beto temaport ne takrade port wo. Enti se wo de phone yi ba na obedu temaport na wo say wo to phone de $10 a. Ye kwakwohwe humanim say phone no ne price na yagia tum wo wi ase afa na nyina no. Anye bia $10 ana. Sije say $10 pepepa and na obitua. More than $10 a. Say more than $10 a. Sa price na wo book nim na obeden. Ubetua. Senso wo figure na wo boy no e bia na sukra dodo okra sen figure na wo benchmark value no no obeba fam na wo betua sa benchmark value no enti ade ba kwa ya na NDC for no kasa o mon ka no crunch Ghana for ne say benchmark value no it didn't necessarily increase prices and I say import duties at the port it will increase and decrease effect. And the end of the day,
I pointed that out
to and me that's a pass out channel. It's the other day, no. The only thing of benchmark values in here, and say, at the equity and the fairness, at the pay yobi about port war. A BM, yes, had the way between 2019 and 2021. Mimi see na me Ghana need money no. Na madri da me timu nyina na say, okay. So now what your duty $10,000 e wo container na so. Ah na nunti, wo ton ade na ma me 2 Ghana cedis. Aban active due to from $10,000 to $5,000. Enti CJ said naturally they say you say $2 na also Toma me Ghana no. So be so better on $1 because you have to swam.
Yeah.
So what's the import duty na amount price na cost ro there. Ya temu mi no ama.
Enti former MC ewa Kuyapum North na yete nka no say enti no say akata hwehwe na ye de aban e de benchmark no ba enti say yenhwe me hom no so e de bi kika ho no yenhwe na ya na entesa ye to akase bo no so e de amamo na sim car registration yi won sam say yada e na kire say ayi communication friends and director wono e yesami jamfi e no no so e de baba to dwa say wono de say what SIM card no registration na ya de beba no e na ya se yesisan we na ya yese de nya bibia kire say NCF wo ke sikadie ene chop na kire say ya ne ya hwehwe no e na ya say ye hu na ne ya de so de yese SIM card kire say ya de boy kwa ya foforo e hu business na kire say sikadie enti na wo yesa no na wono so ade nsam ko to dwa e wo Adum TV ho sa na watwe yi ndumadi a ya wodi ho weekends no e no so kwotena ho na ko kan sam we say na kire say NDC communication officer Sami Jamfi e no ko kan akasa yi
phone bi e ko so na chop ni bi o chop nti na basa
why na chop
telcos
na say NC for na
katazese ni dream ayo makuma mumma the purpose of
why na this
you see the Ministry of Communication any NC for
come na mfa so this car
on say yeah for Ghana card which Kenatifa ni aban we buy o maba beto aso ne say obia will register Ghana card aye ju telephone numbers. In fact the slot no 4 you can provide 4 telephone numbers. Meboa, why a Ghana card?
Yes.
See your mobile number. Only your telephone number. It is so that as you are registering for the Ghana card, we are getting your telephone number so that we will also register your SIM card. In NIA Ghana card registration we are. Almost the same telephone numbers no ma collecting in ma telcos no. Not telcos no are connecting to your Ghana card no ma register ma. Here so be office bia.
Because now say okwa the biometrics na answer
me share we na wait me educate you viewers. So this is the system NDC aban here ya Kenetifa ni aban we buy o ma ba beto aso. Ghana say NIA for register nipa be 16 million na wo telephone numbers.
Yeah.
Say if you crowd or no money correct telephone numbers, you can tell them to go to NIA to update so that you get their telephone numbers. All they need to do is to give the data to the telcos. No mama aban sika kakra. Sika ne be call NIA wo. Telcos ni be tuya data cost no mama NIA. That is a Ghana aban yanya sika. When Asla Uzo ye Minister for Communications on tiase. No na kofa Nigeria ni bia your friend Kyle ni GVG. Aba say NIA for ni say some information ni be ma telcos no there be o fa ma Kyle ni GVG for. For the ma Kyle ni GVG for a Kyle ni GVG for na kwa akoye app bia omo be kwa akotena telco for no ho. Na yes obi ba na o the telephone number ba na ya check Ghana can na twa wonsa picture na ya store in that app which is completely useless. But they have created this as an avenue to make money. This issue way a creating tokwa between NIA Kenatifa and Asla Uso. Mo pa mo frɛ Kenatifa na mo misano. Dr. Bawumia, Alhaji Bawumia had to intervene. Ansana Kenatifa the data no Emma Asla Uso and NCA because Kenatifa and NIA forecast said they will never give NCA the data. It is our data. We are supposed to give it to the telcos.
Yeah.
Not telcos need the sika na ma NIA are buying there. Umunye sika buying na there. Enye sika. Who is say no? Ye yem fan ma Kenny GVG ya. Money na yes I dream she ye we nyina. Na Kenny GVG no. Mom na akwa app on nkrofo na akwa app. Na wo kwa with telephone number or Ghana card you twa on sa photo. As the same way. In which country do you see that?
Top no here. I mean we are talking about queue.
The telcos could have done it directly. Abra obi ankwan kodi queue. It is because Oslawusu ni Kenny GVG mono don't want NIA to give the data, the telephone numbers no collect it when they did the Ghana card registration directly to the telcos. No more person middle identification.
We need to protect our data. How do we protect the data that we are collecting?
NIA cannot protect our data. Kenny GVG for never protect your data. Kenate Fani NIA cannot protect our data. A state institution established by an act of parliament cannot do that.
And in a communication officer, my NDC, any yaten and Kano Samijan V, or no such as a chop, not as a Sicano, and one person would ye, and unti the watcher as a young sanso, and every registration of some no. Yet, what a siano so at your mamma, your papa, Piano, Domain group, and when a domain in a but no, the dinde was also a doctor. Like as I was saying for was said, your doctor, Ajiman Bedu the second, and one no Akasa. Ewo bere wa bia new library school pofro ade ama school for awo wo ho no na ne ho kafo ene si dan yade ma awon na no no na eka se bono de sa chifu aho nkutwa na eka ne ho no ayamfo nketwa no won hwe na sane ama bia anka wo sense mfata wo won ho na wo ye no won hwe na ne nyina enkofam no won fa iye ento iye na wo man no mpuntuo enkoso wo ho so de na de so ade hunu ne se obehwe se sukuufuo ebenya ba bi pa ne bia pa atena ene ne man do ma ahinkuro no
ye na no okwa abisim oja me na wanfie hene ma me hema wanfie hene man sen hene kronti hene madoma no la meko ko sisa wo na odom ene asu ofrifuo ho baba me we besia na ma ada ya twene ho anya abisim nyina ni mboa
nti na na motene nka na no na ne ho kafo so aka nsem ne bie ade to aso ade board ichi ne kunu echi ban se ne wo ye no dada no enti wono so de ndi lady ana ajeman Bedu wono ene si school library ade ma school fo ise obehwe na ne ho masua ade akoso no
enwomasua ebekọ anim na de di mo wakotene ema de sua eduru ba bia nyame bo ema different nanso esai ye kochra ye niema bi ne yantitie bi nti amamre bi nti atwe ema no enema akwachi nanso ye wo bi a ye wo abotre etete ema ye wo nimudie ebisu woye mu a onyame ashada bi amaye special enu nti sabaya library bi besi wo na enkwaya mema nko a na ye community library na ma nyina betimi awura mu no se wo mo kɔ no mu biebie book ni mu a wo mo besua bibi
enti na ho kafo ene ye trene nka no wono ene si library ede ma sukuufo a won ewodoma wono na MCE Kofi Ajiman wono so ekasai ewodoma onu ewodoma east wo ono so ekasai yafa assembly ne ho se assembly no amse wonya won moa ewo ho enti wo se won so hwe na bibia wohia no ekoso na de ma won ewo bon potem ho
enshede ni ICT center ene libraries ne bi wo ho no ye ade ba ko a oye assembly no ye dadwene ba ko na se wi ono so firi ho a fa bim no me fa ne se onam se no ma bi se ni ho ni ntino yankura no bebre wo ho kura be po no school a be ni ba bi akọ eni nti se bi afa ba na ode be number bi a obeduru ba bi no binu mu ho a betim kofa abrabo bi a ommoa
enti MCE na Kofi Ajiman so ne yete ne nkante wase wono so osre assembly no e wase mo hwe na moboa na do ma hinkuro efa ne ntuma pa adifira ye to akase abone so ade amamo na NGO na won so onede won so asi library ni bi ade ama asukufo ono so wa pande community na kyerɛ sɛ ne nyina ne sɛ sukuufoɔ sɛ sɛ wo hia mmoa ɛwɔ ɔman mu ankasa nti ɛne yɛ sɛ wowɔ hɔ na sɛ yɛ sɛ woyɛ biribi ɛde boa wɔ sɛ wohwɛ na woyɛ nti ɛnɛ da yi project a wɔ started yɛ no 2 years bi ɛnɛ ɛna wawie a NGO foɔ hand over ICT lab ka ho na kyerɛ sɛ nkwalaa no nso sukuufoɔ no nneɛma aka deɛ ɛwɔ sɛ wɔde keka aka ho na wɔ sukuu no di mu no ɛno nyinaa wɔde akeka aka ho ɛde ama mmɔfra no.
One of our projects is ensuring healthy school environments for every child. In 2019, we started here a small project. We are far all the way to Damakura. I'm a one of your chair in Kunyani table because video only buy a one. Now, Colano to come. Immediately order Kunyani tables, no more boy, and the command today because of healthy school environment projects. Colani ya baby. So na amayaba and I ha eba village to make sure they be creating knowledge back ama school no.
Enti madam osai poku ayabo ono ana ye leader edema NGO no ono ana kan nsem ya yache nini na kyese the assistant a ono na bedi akire a waka madam poku awo ne din so ade Fred osai yabo a ono so na ye assistant ade ma NGO no ono so ade na no di sem atudwa.
The greatest advice for the community is every child who is in school should be able to come in here, open a book and read and get some knowledge. That's what it's all about. Because at the end of the day, what is knowledge? It's power. That is what we're trying to do. We want to empower everybody to come in here and get the knowledge that they need.
MC one also our pando one also akabi ade tonsam so ni din ade Atakofi Emmanuel one also ade age na no di sem kakra atudwa ade ta akire
ni na bompa ese ado mo yi na ni nsiro mo na me enka so emo mo bia nso ni mo aye no ya dima fe sitie na mbo ya nkwada o mo ewa chini mo tini anya mfaso ai bi bua pa na o man ene kan na nti me kan se bedo mo ase na nso nsiro mo sitie ya
na kyerɛ Panda community ane yehu ye no na de atadwe wate dende nkwada no se ne yehu no won ne agiyi ankasa ajese wo ho na kyerɛ yaka kyerɛ se yesi library fufuro ICT fufuro na kyerɛ equipment ambesa so hia wo sukuu ho ne de aka ho de a na kyerɛ aye anigye e wo sukuu ho yentwe ye hombra na nsem fufuro atoaso no na ye de amamo kase botew so ebefom ne de amamo na mahunia ekoso e wo oman mu yetwe ye ho aba.
Ade chemu nsem de Nyankopon nanim ne mu nsem ne na de yo de minu mienu e na ya ye di huduma pa enti no nsem a esi anajo esi anumre ahomache ene de keka ho nyina no York morning ya boa no se kasebo ebi so eye paper review ai de ba be somwo bo wode asa obe hia eye me Okamafo Clement ene ma wedafo e wo York morning so every Monday up to Friday 6 a.m. na fe yemfa nsem a esi wo manim nyina emesomwo yebekọ amama nyina so yebekọ epuye ne atoye ba bibiara asem no hye no yede beba na afe minu mienu ya dwendwen ho na wahu oman no ne kanko ene ne bobre ba bia asi afa shiamen na yendwen oman no.
Shimama muda so from to breakfast here our HYTV and York FM so ye sori so na kire say yankwa akro ya kochi ni nyina e de good time video kase no so na kire say wo HYTV GH a wo benya ni nyina na wahwe e wo ho na kase bo nsem odi nwakotene a wote ye ebi ni say na kire say Sami Jamfi wono e communication officer e de ma NDC wono na wakasa say SIM card registration ya yasan so ya no fufuro na kire say sikadie e na hwehwe hwase entu ne yasan so aye bibiara foforo no sanso na MC former MC wono Akuapem North wono so ekokasa wo Adom TV sister station no wo di dwuma bia e fra wona watwi na wokasa wo ho se e wo se ye hwe na se sa benchmark yi ehun samsam no enkofa increment of prices ahodo emfa ma ye port no so Wei ane nsɛm afoforo bi ka ho ma awia yi mosomfo atwa rambo mebɛgye brɛ ɛkenkan bi adema awɔ yɛsɔre bia na kyerɛ sɛ yɛnsɔre so donko ɛboa na kyerɛ sɛ exclusive show ɛna toa so na yɛde ma mo no na kyerɛ sɛ ɛbɔ ndom mmienu nso a na kyerɛ sɛ live worship no nso atoa so ɛde ama wo na ne dɛdɛ kyerɛ Ghana mampani kan yɛ no yɛse sɛ wonim sɛ agya wo community ya sɛ wobi ɛkɔ baabi akɔbɔbɔ a ɛnyɛ sɛ wode wɔn kasa ɛbɛbu na bɛm daabi yɛnhyɛ mmerante yɛkyiri kena ne nyina ne sɛn Ghana Black Stars ɛnɛ ɛbɔ no ɔnan a na kyerɛ sɛ bɔɔl kɛseɛ ɛbɛgu akwan mu ɛma yɛhwɛ sɛnea ɛteɛ no na HY TV yɛbɛstreami live ɛwɔ ha sɛ baabi awɔ bi asɔpote kaa mu sɛ ɔwɔ hemfa ɛni kwa sɛ wɔ ha wo ho daabi wobɛnya bi ahwɛ ɛwɔ wo phone no so ɛno ano sɛ wobɛbɔ HY TV GH na wahwɛ sɛnea ɛkɔ so no nyinaa ɛwɔ so fɛfɛɛfɛ aha ana brage kwama mede mu sie na kyerɛ sɛ me producer baako pɛ friend is na kyerɛ sɛ me ka na president wɔno ana kenka nneɛma gu mu ma mede brɛ wo na Clement wɔno nso ɛbɔ m'akyi dɔm sɛ wɔbɛhwɛ sɛ bibia bɛtotɔ yie ɛbɔ ha sɛ okopie MCR hɔ de a na kyerɛ sɛ Benedict ana ɛboa me ma mede kasebo yi ɛde bɛso mo sɛ menhyia the triple action wɔno nso ɛhwɛ sɛ bibia ebi de gu na kwan mu na mede kasebo yi ɛde aso mo fɛfɛɛfɛ aha ena brɛ agye kwan ma mede mu sie mo somfo atwa rambo na nefu adazoa ena mbekenkan kasebo no ɛde ma wo